Imagine a Thanksgiving where you don't have to compromise between delicious and healthy. Yes, it's possible. Let's dive into the world of heart-healthy Thanksgiving meals, because even during festive feasts, our hearts deserve a bit of tender, loving care. So brace yourself for a Thanksgiving meal that not only satisfies your taste buds but also keeps your heart singing with joy. Get ready to jot down the key ingredients for a heart-healthy Thanksgiving feast. We'll need lean proteins like skinless turkey, full of heart-friendly nutrients. Whole grains, such as brown rice or quinoa, play a vital role in reducing heart disease risk. Low-sodium seasonings will keep our dishes flavorful without the extra salt. And let's not forget a spectrum of fruits and vegetables, each color providing different heart-protective compounds. Think red tomatoes, green spinach, and purple berries. With these ingredients, you're one step closer to a heart-healthy feast. Now, embark on the journey to create a mouth-watering, heart-healthy Thanksgiving meal. Begin with prepping your ingredients, chop your veggies, marinate your lean proteins, and set aside your heart-healthy oils and spices. Now let's get cooking. Remember, the way you cook your food is just as important as what you cook. Opt for baking or grilling over frying to retain the nutritional goodness. Your herbs and spices are your secret weapon. They bring out the flavors without the need for excess salt or fat. When your meal is ready, take a moment to savor the vibrant colors and enticing aromas. Congratulations! You've just prepared a meal that's a treat for your taste buds and a gift for your heart. Remember, a heart-healthy diet is not a one-time affair, but a lifestyle. Embracing this way of eating can reduce the risk of heart disease, improve cholesterol, and even boost your mood. This Thanksgiving, give thanks to your heart by treating it right. Heart health is a journey, and we're here to guide you. To continue reaping the benefits of a heart-healthy lifestyle, subscribe to our channel. You'll access more scrumptious recipes and valuable tips. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on a heart-healthy journey together. Happy Thanksgiving!